whatever. All this ever about you long gone, it don't matter. Ride or die, that's been the deal. The light of your back, I disappear. But if you don't play that for me, I'm out of it, I'm out of it. I lick my gun and then I'm done. I'm out of it, I'm out of it. No man to tell me you're no good. I'm brushing away, do you? The weight of you, of my shoulder. Done with my cigarette, and when all the smoke is clear, I'm brushing away, do you? The weight of you, the weight of you. Don't need a no man. Tell me you're no good. I'm brushing away, do you? The weight of you, of my shoulder. Done with my cigarette, and when all the smoke is clear, I'm brushing away, do you? The weight of you, the weight of you. Don't need a no man.
Welcome back. In today's video we are combining the winter barley. We have about half the acres done now, and the first 2 loads we've taken we kept for ourselves, and now the next 2 loads are going down to the merchant. So yeah, that's what's going on today. Hopefully you saw a bit of drone footage of them combining, and now I'm on the trailer, and hopefully you can see it's behind me there, and the combine is just filling up here now, so we'll go empty him. Combine is now empty, so I'll go back to sitting over here and wait for the next time. Might just go push that ball of straw out of the way because I don't think the baler man will be too happy with that. Anyway, that combine is a Deutz-Fahr top liner 470. It's a 1994 model, so 28 years old at the minute, so it's getting there in age. But it still does the job, still cutting barley, and no complaints. As long as equipment's maintained well, it'll last as long as you want it to, but sometimes it's hard to maintain things, but sure. So now hopefully you can see, point it down a bit more. There's all the grain in it. There is a few awns in the barley still, but they're still on the barley, not in the barley, but there's a lot of grain in it as well, so yeah, anyway, it's probably all I'll do talking for this video. I'll stick the GoPro up. One thing I forgot to mention earlier was the barley's at 15.5% moisture, so that is quite dry, very dry actually, but it's to be expected with the warm weather we've had and no rain. But last year, like to give a reference, last year the first spring barley we cut came in at 18.6. I can't remember what the rest did because we cut one field by itself, as some of you may remember, and then the rest was all cut together. But yeah, so it is quite dry, but 15% is kind of where you want to be. You don't want to be any drier or it's a waste of money, because if grain's drier, it won't weigh as heavy, so you're not paid as much, and it's not really a premium, but it's a base, what would you call it, a base payment for 15%. So between 15 and 20% moisture, every time you go down 1%, the price you're given per ton is changed. But once you get to 15, if you go any lower, it's not changed. So 15 is right where you want to be. It's the best price you'll get for your barley. Maybe if it was malting barley, it'd be better. Malting barley is barley for beer. That's not what we're doing. This is for feed. So yeah, I haven't really talked much in this video because there's not much to talk about. We won't know how many tons we did per acre till everything's cut, but it's about how we thought it was going to do at the minute. We don't think it's doing exceptional, but straw is what we wanted, straw is what we're getting, grain's what we wanted, grain's what we're getting, so better than nothing. But another reason we grow winter barley on the farm is it's a great crop for getting weeds out of ground, and then usually we plant baby leaf after winter barley because there's no weeds in it. So after the winter barley's cut, now I'll ripper disc it, you'll see that in another video, then disc it a few times, and then we'll sow baby leaf into it for the winter, and that's how we've done things for a long time, and it's still working for us, so we won't stop anytime soon. But yeah, haven't talked much at all in this video because not much to talk about, but there'll be another video now of baling, bit of a surprise with the baler, something you haven't seen before, and yeah, so baling and bringing in the bales will be the next video. Probably do a bit more talking in that, say how many tons we got per acre, how much bales we got per acre, and all of that good stuff. But anyway, this is the end of the video, so if you have enjoyed it, don't forget to give the video a like and subscribe to the channel. It's completely free and yeah, helps my videos out. And if you want to leave a comment down below what you think of this video, would all be appreciated. Might push the video on a bit. Anyway, I will see you in the next one.